Hey skaters, Kev here, and today I'm going to explain a little groundwork move that I learned a while back. Yeah, I don't know the name of it. If you guys do, or if there's a name, please put it in the comments below. We'd love to hear y'all's comments because we're always learning too. So we just like to try to explain or teach what we've learned as we've gone along the way. It's really fun for skating and keep that thing growing. So you're already on the ground. Go down on the ground, and what I do, like say I'm standing, I go down on the ground, I put my right hand on the ground,
Okay.
and you can either put it flat like that or up on your fingers, whichever is more comfortable for you.
Okay.
And then I kick my right leg out, holding my butt off the ground. There's a lot of core strength involved.
Yeah.
And then I switch my legs.
Okay.
And then I'm going to turn my shoulders and put my left hand on the ground and lift my right arm off the ground, and I'm going to switch turning.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Turning, switching the leg.
back on. Now I'm on my left arm, and I'm going to kick my left leg out. So I'm back. I'm in the starting position, the opposite side.
Okay.
And now I'm going to scissor my legs again.
Again. Pulling your core in.
Pulling my core in, reaching across with the other arm.
Okay.
Turn.
Switching. And
then
out.
kick back to the original position.
All right.
Okay? So what it looks like in not full speed, but
To the beat of the music.
Beat of the music.
Right. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 5.
So that's, I guess, what you call a kick switch groundwork move. It's super fun. It's very tiring, but it's just like anything. Once you do it more often, the more you do it, the less tiring it is.
And if you do a lot of groundwork, like who needs sit-ups? There's so much core strength involved, right?
So yeah, just try to do that to the beat. That's the most important thing with jam skating. So hopefully you guys like that move. If you have other moves you want to learn or any suggestions, we'd love that. So please don't forget to comment below, like and subscribe. Thanks.